Kwecha, you are welcome. Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo, Robo online tutorials. Ugbunu, mouth. Ebere Ugbunu, lips. Ugbunu, where cover your mouth. Gbunu, where gbo, your mouth is smelling. Ugbunu, where gbo, your mouth is smelling. Ugbunu, mena, this is my mouth. Ebere Ugbunu, where roro, your lips are big. Ebere Ugbunu, where wawari, your lips are red. Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo, Facebook group, join us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free of there. Follow us on Instagram, RG, Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo. Follow us on Twitter, Ukoko, Uyono, Urobo. And remain your humble presenter, Ekurume, Owumi, Ogenenye, Urobo, Wado, Urobo, Feyono, Urobo is sport learning.